Gargi Maiti from Kolkata. I'm 27 years old and I joined the business when I was a student 4 to 5 years back. My sponsors are my parents, founders Emerald, Omya Natishi Maiti, and I actively started building the business when I was doing my MBA during my MBA days, and I completed my MBA 2.5 years back. And I'm into this profession by choice, not because I did not get any other opportunity. Because when I was in college, I cracked all the interviews and all the companies they came for campusing. I got a job offer letter from all of them, but I purposely choose this profession because I chose this because I always wanted stability in my career, because this is the only platform I feel from where I can have an asset based income, where I will work for certain years and after that I can reap those benefits throughout of my life. That can be possible from here. And the second reason was I always wanted to become an entrepreneur and a businesswoman, but at the same time I think generating a business turnover of around 2 crore at my age annually was really a difficult task without this business. Then I would have had to go for a lot of investment, a lot of risk, and so many other factors, which is really not easy for a woman of my age to do from other business. So Amway is a great platform for that. And the second thing that I can understand is my decision was absolutely correct, as because now I can feel that how much stable my career is because of the current situation that is being faced globally. My career is still on, our business is still going on, we are sailing through the situation. In fact, we have seen a rise in our business. Our business has doubled because we are creating a lot of awareness in terms of health and wellness, where Neutralite is a brand that works, and digitalization is something which is 99% the backbone of this business, which contributes to it. And we can understand that very clearly as of now, because we are grooming ourselves online right now through Zoom calls and all the online trainings happening, and also at the same time we are sharing our own experiences through all the different brands we're using, like Neutralite, Artistry, the durables, through cookware and everything we are using at home. Me and my team together, we are sharing our ideas on the digital platforms, on the social media, and that is contributing to a huge volume of our business, which is why I got a new gold in my organization, and he's also tracking for platinumship this year. So that is a very big news for us. And also I'm getting another Q legs. So our business has actually doubled in this tough time, in this situation, which is making me think that yes, the decision I took was really good, that I took during my college days of building the business. And that's how I'm working, and trust me, we're working with a lot of enjoyment, a lot of fun all together with the team. So it's lovely, it's a very enjoyable moment for all of us. So come and join us so that we can have fun together. Thank you.